Imagine an invisible architect, constantly designing, building, and maintaining the very structure of your being. Not just your thoughts or emotions, but your immune system, your cardiovascular health, your genetic expression. This architect resides within the most complex known object in the universe, your brain. For centuries, the mind and body were seen as separate entities, a dualistic view that permeated Western thought. But what if this separation was an illusion? What if every thought, every emotion, every stressor or moment of joy is not merely felt, but profoundly changes your physical reality? Prepare to journey into the cutting edge of neuroscience, immunology, and psychology to uncover the profound, undeniable truth. Your brain isn't just in your body. It's intricately interwoven with every cell, every system, every beat of your heart. The concept of mind-body dualism, famously articulated by René Descartes in the 17th century, posited the mind as a non-physical, distinct entity from the physical body. This philosophical bedrock shaped Western medicine for centuries, leading to a fragmented approach to health where mental and physical ailments were treated in isolation. However, ancient traditions from Ayurvedic medicine in India to traditional Chinese medicine have long embraced a holistic perspective, viewing the individual as an integrated whole. Modern science, armed with advanced imaging techniques and molecular biology, is now providing empirical validation for these ancient insights. We are moving from mind and body to mind-body continuum. At the core of the mind-body connection is your nervous system. Think of it as your body's electrical wiring. The brain and spinal cord are like the main control tower, while the rest of the system carries signals to every corner of your body. One special part of this system works automatically without you even thinking about it. It's called the autonomic nervous system. This is what keeps your heart beating, your lungs breathing, and your digestion running smoothly. It has two sides. One is the fight or flight mode, which kicks in when you feel stressed or threatened. The other is the rest and digest mode, which helps you relax, recover, and heal. Here's how it works. When you're under stress, your brain sends an alarm signal down to your adrenal glands, which release powerful chemicals like adrenaline and cortisol. These hormones make your heart race, raise your blood pressure, slow down digestion, and even weaken your immune system, all to prepare your body to deal with danger. This response is life-saving if you're facing a real threat, like escaping a car accident or protecting yourself in an emergency. But here's the problem: when stress doesn't go away, like when you're constantly worried about money, work, or relationships, your body stays stuck in this emergency mode. Over time, this can damage your health, leading to problems like high blood pressure, poor sleep, anxiety, and even a weaker immune system. This isn't just about feelings. Stress literally changes what happens inside your body. Every heartbeat, every breath, every cell responds to it. Scientists discovered something amazing: your mind can actually talk to your immune system. This field is called Psychoneuroimmunology. Research shows that stress hormones like cortisol can weaken your body's defenses, making it harder to fight infections, heal wounds, or control inflammation. Over time, this even affects conditions like autoimmune diseases and cancer. But here's the hopeful side. Positive emotions also send powerful messages to the immune system. Things like laughter, gratitude, strong friendships, and a hopeful outlook can boost immune defenses. In fact, people who stay socially connected and optimistic often respond better to vaccines and recover faster from infections. So the next time you think, I'm just stressed, it's no big deal. Remember, your immune system is listening. Your body is constantly translating your emotions into health outcomes. Your brain and heart are constantly in conversation. Stress, anxiety, and loneliness don't just hurt your mood, they strain your heart. When stress becomes chronic, it keeps your heart rate and blood pressure high, fueling problems like hypertension and clogged arteries. Depression itself can increase the risk of heart disease and worsen recovery after a heart attack. And lifestyle habits linked to poor mental health, like unhealthy eating, lack of exercise, or smoking, make it even worse. On the flip side, when the mind is cared for, the heart responds. Managing stress, building strong relationships, and practicing relaxation techniques like meditation or deep breathing aren't just mental health tips. They're heart-saving strategies. Your brain and heart are like dance partners. When one stumbles, the other feels it. But when they move in harmony, your whole body thrives. The brain is not static. It is remarkably neuroplastic, constantly reorganizing itself based on experiences, thoughts, and learning. This profound adaptability means that mental training, such as mindfulness meditation, cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, or even simply cultivating positive emotional states can physically alter brain structures, connectivity, and function. Regions involved in emotional regulation like the prefrontal cortex can be strengthened, while the activity of the amygdala, often associated with fear and stress, can be modulated. Beyond neuroplasticity, emerging research in epigenetics offers an even deeper insight. Epigenetics refers to changes in gene expression that do not involve alterations to the underlying DNA sequence. Stress, trauma, and even positive experiences can leave epigenetic marks on our DNA, influencing how our genes are read and expressed, which can, in turn, affect our physical and mental health. This means our lived experiences, mediated by our brain, can quite literally alter our biological blueprint, even influencing future generations. This is not soft science. It's molecular biology demonstrating the profound impact of our mental landscape. Understanding the mind-body connection isn't just academic. It has profound practical implications for global health. Integrating mental health care with physical health initiatives is paramount. In clinics worldwide, from Nairobi to New York, multidisciplinary approaches are gaining traction, recognizing that treating the whole person yields superior outcomes. Techniques such as mindfulness-based stress reduction, MBSR, biofeedback, and psychotherapy are no longer considered supplementary but essential tools. They equip individuals with strategies to regulate their nervous system, mitigate chronic stress responses, and foster resilience. Future research continues to explore the use of psychedelics in controlled therapeutic settings for conditions like PTSD and depression, precisely because of their profound impact on brain connectivity and psychological states, further blurring the lines between mind and body. The frontier is vast, promising even deeper insights into how we can harness our inner architect for optimal health. We began by questioning an old belief that the mind and body are separate. Now we know the truth. They are one, working together every moment of our lives. Every thought, every emotion, every experience doesn't just stay in your head. It flows through your entire body, shaping your cells, strengthening or weakening your immunity, and even guiding the rhythm of your heart. The power to influence your health isn't found only in medicine or treatment. It also lives inside you, in the way you think, feel, and live each day. Understanding this mind-body connection unlocks a deeper ability to heal, to grow, and to live with resilience. This isn't just science. It's an invitation to live with more awareness, to care for your mind as much as your body, to choose thoughts, habits, and connections that help you thrive. The architect of your well-being is you. The question is, what life will you choose to build? Thank you for watching. If this opened your eyes, share it with someone who still thinks the mind and body are separate. And remember, real health begins when we care for both.